While flash flooding comes to an end in the southwest, a new storm develops in the Atlantic. Not only this storm, but another storm could threaten the Caribbean islands late this month. It could be a major hurricane. I'll show you what we can expect going through the rest of this month, and another system in the eastern Pacific, and could it enhance flash flooding in the southwest again? I'll go over both of these systems and any future systems in this video. It's CBS Cyclone, Monday, October 13th, 2025. Starting with Disturbance 1, it currently has a 0% chance of development in the next 2 days and a 40% chance of development in the next 7 days. I do expect this to develop, however, I think it is supposed to stay out to sea, so I don't think it will bring any impacts to land. It likely won't move up toward the Baja Peninsula, and its remnants likely won't bring rain to the southwest. However, flash flooding is still continuing today. This is pretty much the last day of it. Starting with a level 2 threat in Arizona and New Mexico, and then a level 2 threat in Colorado, level 1 threat for Texas, parts of Utah, New Mexico, and Arizona, and Colorado. Tomorrow and today in Southern California, there is a level 2 out of 4 flash flood threat. However, that is unrelated to the remnants of Raymond and Priscilla. Tomorrow, the flash flooding threat in Southern California continues. However, that is again unrelated to these the former tropical systems. There is a frontal boundary moving through, and then here I think that's related to the tropical systems that we've just seen. Tropical storm Lorenzo just developed early this morning at about 5 o'clock this morning. It currently has 50-mile-an-hour sustained winds and is forecast to further intensify to 70 miles an hour. That is really high, almost hurricane status. Low-end hurricane status is 75 miles an hour. Could it reach 75 miles an hour? Probably. I won't be totally surprised. The forecast models, starting with the European forecast model, they don't really show much out of this system. They show it dissipating pretty quickly and then not much after that. However, you see right here a little dip to the south. I want to show you that a little more in a second. This is their model run from this morning. And if you remember yesterday, they weren't really showing a system developing in the Caribbean. However, now they're showing it reaching high-end Category 4, if not Category 5 status. So I think this could be a system. I'm not sure how strong it'll get. It's too early to tell. But I want all the Caribbean to be monitoring this system very closely. The GFS model shows this system developing as well. First of all, with Lorenzo, it shows it dissipating, then redeveloping again, maybe becoming a hurricane, and then dipping to the south, and then kind of stalling, then going back up to the north. I'm not sure whether or not that's going to happen. It's not that these systems are hard to forecast, it's just that they don't happen very often. And then for the other system in the Caribbean, they show it developing, and then 923 is the pressure as it hits Cuba. That is a Category 5 hurricane. However, yesterday they were showing it maybe reaching Category 1 status. I don't totally remember. So the models change all the time. This isn't a locked-in forecast. There isn't even a disturbance yet. If we do see a disturbance, we'll probably see it on Thursday, Friday, or even Saturday at the latest. But the GFS model is currently saying that it hits Cuba as a Category 5 storm. Again, I'm not sure if that's going to happen. Earlier today, they showed it further east, and then their trajectory today has been showing it moving further west. So Florida should remain on alert for the system. It's still way too early to tell if this system is even going to develop. But the tropical wave that could eventually be the system is about to move off of Africa. So I'll be monitoring all of this for you guys. Be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see ya.